10 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hey, it's Cam Cronin here at the HR MacMillan Space Center for the Express. And if you were like me as a kid growing up, you dreamed about two things. One, asking Shannon Gopel to the dance, and two, putting rockets into space. Putting rockets into space is a really big process, and up until this point in history, it's really been the big guns that have been able to do that. And we're talking about big guns like Russia, China, the US have been able to put their own rockets into space. But for the first time, there's a private company that really is on the cutting edge of putting cargo into space. It's a company called SpaceX. It's run by a really neat founder. The man's name is Elon Musk. Well, he's actually developing a contract with NASA to deliver payloads to the International Space Station. So for the first time, NASA's basically kind of contracting this out. You might, of course, remember that the space shuttle is no longer running, so they're using these independent cargo ships to move materials and astronauts back and forth to the International Space Station. And their new rocket, SpaceX's new rocket, is called the Dragon capsule, and that actually will be able to have crew inside along with cargo. So they're getting ready for one of their test missions, and NASA's already sort of booked a whole bunch of future flights for refilling the International Space Station, which is kind of what NASA was trying to do during the last few years. During budget cuts and the end of the space shuttle program, they were trying to encourage the private sector to get into the field of space. So look for SpaceX in the news coming up. Their vehicles are really innovative and really cool. And the next time you use PayPal, think about it. You are helping to get people into space. For the Express here at the HR MacMillan Space Center, I'm Cam Cronin.
10 seconds.